Welcome back to the Business Model Canvas mini-series. I'm Liz Feasy, and today we talk about key partners in the Business Model Canvas. So what does it mean to have a key partner? Now, I want you to think about the value chain of your business. And a value chain is basically from the moment that your product or your service starts until the moment it reaches your customer, and what are the different stages involved. So if you think about your value proposition, who are the key partners that you need to help you deliver your value proposition? So who are involved in the different stages? A value chain can sometimes be difficult to comprehend in the online world because the concept of the value chain comes from manufacturing and production, where you literally have a chain of events happening from a product coming in, going through the mold or going through the first machine, and then going through the mold, then being heated up, then being put together, then being packaged, being delivered, then being shipped, going to the store, going to the customer. So that's literally a life cycle of a product from raw material to reaching the customer. It's different in the online world to pinpoint the different steps, but it's still very much doable. So if you think about the value chain that you want to start your business in, or that your business is in, who are the partners involved? Key partners can take many forms. It doesn't have to be a person. It can be business partners. And if you are outsourcing certain parts of your business that is part of your value chain, that is a key partner. Who are your suppliers, your key suppliers that perhaps deliver your raw products or your raw material to you? It can be advisors, it can be mentors, perhaps a business consultant helping you along the way. And sometimes it's just a standard partner like your lawyer or your accountant, making sure that you comply everywhere. So I'm starting a small print-on-demand t-shirt business with my husband. So when I look at partners, it's just going to be the two of us. I don't have more business partners, but I am outsourcing the printing part of my business. I'm creating the design. So let me walk you through my value chain. When I'm starting with the idea, I have some research that I'm doing on the design I have in mind. Then I start with the design. For that, I need my subscription to Midjourney. You can view it as a key resource or a key partner. For me, that is a key resource because I'm just subscribing to it. But now I have the design, I go to Photoshop, I fix my design, I export it. That is still for me a key resource. Now I need to print it. I don't print it myself, so the next part of my value chain is I'm going to have to upload my design to this company's website where they print on demand. So I'm outsourcing my printing to them. They are a key partner. I need them as part of my value chain because I'm not going to invest the capital to get a t-shirt printing machine now. From there, I get my t-shirts back, but at some point someone has purchased this t-shirt online. There I need WordPress. I'm back to that as a key resource. That's not a key partner. Now the designs are online, someone is buying it, I'm shipping it. So now we're back to a key partner. Who am I using? Which courier company or which channel am I using to deliver my product to the customer? Because that will influence how much I will be charging my customer for delivery fee, or if I'm willing to absorb that delivery fee. Normally you would charge the customer because absorbing a delivery fee in something is so small, such as your t-shirt, will significantly impact your profit margin. Now that all that is done, I need to do my financial statements. I'm not an accountant, so I will find a partner, an accountant. They will help me just to keep all of my financials up to date and submit before any deadline that is due. In terms of legal compliance, so I found this great company that's a local company where you can upload your business details. They've got drafts for website terms and conditions, privacy policy that are generic, but it's written in accordance with our legal compliance and our regulatory rules in South Africa. And you pay quite an affordable fee to upload your company's details and download the document, and then I can upload that to my website to make sure I am compliant in managing people's data. And then something else that I need to think about is if I want people to check out online, I can make them transfer money into my bank account, but not all customers like doing that. Granted, I don't pay transaction fees, so it's easy for me, but is it easier for your customer? Personally, I am a little bit annoyed if I buy something online and after I check out, I get the message that you can transfer the money across to their bank account, because it's effort for me. I would much rather sit there during the checkout, punch in my credit card details, and they just take the money and I know I'm done. So I need to figure out if that is going to stop people from buying if I make it easier for me. Should I be making it easier for them? If I decide, yes, I'm going to make it easier for them, I need to apply and submit the relevant documents to a payment gateway that will be able to process those transactions on my behalf, which is another process, but they then also a key partner of me delivering that service to my customer. So you understand how every partner is vital to enable you to deliver your value proposition to your customer. If they don't make an impact on you delivering your value proposition, they might be a partner in a different way, but they're not necessarily the key partner that you need in order to deliver your value proposition. And that's it for Key Partners today. Keep an eye out, subscribe if you want to receive updates on the rest of the mini series on the business model canvas. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.